Hey Danny, this is Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over this quick video to give you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your traffic to your website. So I pulled up your website here. Going through it, it looks pretty good. You have lots of pictures, which is awesome, and lots of content. So Google actually looks at pictures and considers it content as well, as long as you save it the correct way. So when you're uploading pictures to your site, just make sure that you're saving them as relative content, flooring Jacksonville, something like that. Um, so you really want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage in order for Google to find you and rank you to the top of their search engine. That's one of the ways, anyways. So when we go over here and Google floor installation Jacksonville, if you can see all of these paid advertisement is this area up here. And then when you scroll down, this is called the map pack. So all of these companies right here have what's called a Google My Business page, and that's really important to have. And you want to be one of these top three guys, because a lot of people, when they come and search for flooring Jacksonville, they're not going to click view all and look at the list of all the other companies. They're going to more than likely choose one of these, look at the reviews, and figure out which one works for them. So you want to have at least 25 reviews, and you want to have your website linked to this and have pictures linked to it with your company name, address, and phone number. I don't know if you already have one of these or not, but if you don't, I would really advise to get a Google My Business page and try and put a lot more reviews than they have and get to the top of this, so you're really going to get found. So if you keep scrolling down, these are what's called the organics. So if we look at one of the top ones on here, Precision Flooring, their website looks good too. They have a lot of content on it, pictures. That's really what Google wants to see. So I use this program called Ahrefs, and it basically just analyzes your website and lets you know how many people are coming to your website per month, how many backlinks you have, things like that. So this, the one that was at the top of the organics, they have 27 people a month coming to their website, 119 organic keywords, and 150 backlinks from 48 different referring domains. So a backlink is basically any website, article, blog, anything that's going to list your website and send traffic over to your website. So when we look at this guy compared to yours, um, yeah, you have zero traffic coming to your site organically, one keyword. You do have a lot of backlinks though, but the backlinks are not all created equally. So you might have a lot of spammy backlinks, and that's actually bad in Google's eye. That's going to make them not trust your site as much, and you're really not going to get to the top of that search engine. Anyways, I hope that this helped you out a little bit, and please feel free to give me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks. Have a good one.